The following news is taken from an article found in the Hindu News Online and converted, without change, into an audio blog.
D. Ravikumar said that Auroville Foundation should not indulge in any unilateral move and take decisions contrary to the views expressed by members of the Resident Assembly to clear trees for a road-laying project. Villupuram Member of Parliament, D. Ravikumar, has urged the Tamil Nadu government to immediately intervene and safeguard peace and tranquility in the Auroville district. In a letter addressed to Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, Mr. Ravikumar said that Auroville was conceived as a universal township with people from different countries living and working together. Auroville's afforestation project has come to ensure the protection of the environment. Because of the large area of green cover it has brought up, particularly in Villupuram district, which has very low green cover in the state. However, developments over the last few days in the township are causing concern, he said. Mr. Ravikumar said that the Auroville Foundation should not indulge in any unilateral move and take decisions contrary to the views expressed by members of the Resident Assembly to clear trees for the road-laying project. It is learnt that the secretary of the Auroville Foundation, Jayanti S. Ravi, had decided to go ahead with the project around the Matru Mandir, and the union government had also allocated funds for the same, he said. Though the Resident Assembly has protested the move and suggested an alternative road for laying of the road, there has been no breakthrough in talks. In the meanwhile, on the directions from the secretary of the Auroville Foundation, trees were cleared in the township for laying the road, and members of the youth center who protested the move were also assaulted and intimidated with threats to revoke their passports. This is highly unfortunate, Mr. Ravikumar said. The MP claimed there have been allegations that Auroville was sought to be grabbed by those championing the cause of the RSS. The governing board of Auroville was recently constituted, and Ms. Ravi, who had previously served in Gujarat, has been appointed as the secretary, while the Tamil Nadu governor R.N. Ravi has been nominated as the chairman. Though Auroville was located in Tamil Nadu, it does not have a single member from the state on its board, he contended. Aurovillians have complained that the foundation members have been trying to bulldoze their way with the project, bypassing the Auroville Act and the genuine concerns of the residents. Any such move would bring a bad name to the state government. The Chief Minister should immediately intervene and ensure peace in Auroville.